welcome. Katie here. Thanks so much for joining me on the Imagine Crafts YouTube channel. Today I've got a jump on our holiday gift tags. So I'm going to be using this stamp and die set from the Greetery. And this is their 4-square holiday tag. This is the elements, their stamp set. And of course, this is, you kind of have to have both, the die set. So within the die set, you get this that gives you some decorative tops. And then you have the stencil to line up so that you can do 4 stamps, 4 gift tags at a time. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I always am out of time when it comes to gift tags. So I thought we would take the month of July and for Imagine's project, do some quick gift tags. Now, this is super easy, and that's why I really like it. I'm going to focus on 2 colors today from Delicata. This is the Silvery Shimmer and the Golden Glitz. We're going to keep it basic. We're going to do 1 gold, 1 silver, but I think I might do the to and from as opposites. So on the gold, we'll do silver. On the silver, we'll do gold. So the piece of paper I have here is 5.5 by 5.5. So super simple. You're going to take the stencil that comes in the die and you're going to line it up here. And then you're going to take whatever stamps you want. Now I think I'm going to do the this and just take the whole decorative piece, and then we'll put like a gift for you or Merry Christmas in there, just to keep it simple. And I think we're going to start with the Golden Glitz. Second paper there. And once you've got that lined up, you can take your stencil away. Now my Golden Glitz, I'll probably stamp it twice, just so we can deepen the color a little bit. I've mentioned this before, but I like my Delicata inks to be a little drier, the pads, and I'd rather double stamp than juice it out and you've got ink everywhere. And I love that this decorative frame stamp, because this could be used for anything. Thank you, gift tags, anything like that. Let's do 1 more. Now, the Brilliance Metallics Galaxy Gold comes to mind, Platinum Planet. I'll probably do some. So I'll probably do this again over on my channel as we get closer to Christmas with some more inspiration. Okay, so now we keep our stamp right where it is. I'm just using some 80-pound, I'm using a lightweight cardstock. I think that's how this goes, if I remember correctly. And I love that this makes 4 at a time, because with 2 little squares, we're going to have 8 tags. This will go faster if I didn't have to ink it up so many times, but that's okay. I might have to do, I might do the not double stamped. I wonder if this shifted. I might do a different color. I haven't decided yet on the inside, but maybe I'll just keep it monochromatic. We'll see. Maybe I'll do 2 stamps of this and multiple stamps of the sentiment, the gift for you or Merry Christmas, and that way they'll stand out better. As you can see, as you stamp it, you build up the color, which is good. Now, this has a coordinating die set. These stamps here, I'll flip it over. So I'm going to keep it one layer, keep it simple, but I could stamp this separately, die cut it out, and pop it up so that if I really need that this Merry Christmas to jump out at us, which we might need to. I might need to do a different. Maybe I'll do the brown. Maybe I'll do that. Dark brown shimmer. Let's try that. Maybe I need to ink up my... There we go. I have a little gold in there too. It's not too bad. Let's do it one more time. And I think I'll do 2 Merry Christmas and 1 a gift for you. Okay. I'm just going to rotate this. And of course, you're not limited to just this stamp set. Of course, there's other, anything you have in your stash that could go, that are small details that can go in. And on my channel, when we get closer to Christmas and we're really needing to crank out some tags, I'll talk about that, and we'll do some videos on that. Some different ways to extend that out. And actually, so this one has the gold underlay, so I don't know if you can kind of see that gold halo. So it lightened it up a little bit, which is not a bad thing. Kind of see it on that M there. But you don't have that here on this Christmas one, so. Two-tone effect, if you're looking for that. It gives you a little change of pace, and it lightens that brown up. And of course, you can color coordinate these with however you do your packaging. And so you have your gap, so you just line up right within the gap. I'm going to get a little bit of little tape. This is Scotch's repositionable adhesive. Go die cut it out real quick. All right. Probably could have lined my stamp up a little bit better, but not too bad. Oh, really cut through there, didn't it? Okay. Now, what's great about this is they give you multiple I'll do one on each one, and that way you'll be able to see. And then they have just a regular with no lines. I think we'll just use the brown. Now I'd probably use a thicker cardstock. This one's 80 pound, so you can see it kind of warped it a little bit there. So definitely at least 100 pound, I'd say. Something a little bit more sturdy. And you could decorate these a little bit more with the back and a lighter color to stamp the back with some of these other pieces, elements that came. So I'll be careful with, because I know those lines were tricky. I like it. I actually like that the two and the froms are together because it makes it a lot easier. All right, now, and you can see there, I should have waited and let these dry a little bit. So, but if you use, regular dye ink or your regular VersaFine clear inks, I don't know why I said regular, but if you use your VersaFine clear inks, you should be okay because those dry pretty quickly. We'll just do the frame for now. This video is pretty long already. And I think I'll just do one. See how it goes. Actually, I might do this and do red, because silver and red I really like too. Nope. Didn't need to double stamp that, now did I? Might need to add a little ink to my ruby red. Now, you don't have to use delicate inks for both. Actually, you know what? I've got strawberry here. Let me try the strawberry. That's bright. And you can do both, just like we're doing here, because the shimmer will come through. That's nice. And of course the delicata will come through too. All right. So strawberry VersaFine Clear and Silvery Shimmer. Oh no, and Ruby Red. I wipe my mat down and now it's going to be super sticky. There we go. Definitely use a thicker cardstock than 80 pound for sure. All right. And we could do the opposite, right? Since we have this, we know that everything's going to line up. We can ink up our ink that up one more time. Keep my fingers out of it this time. There we go. The ruby red, and we'll do some strawberry. That goes really nicely. I think I might stamp it twice though, just so it's nice and deep. Go die cut this. Probably wouldn't do brown, depend maybe on craft. So we'll have more. I'll have more ideas as we get closer to the holidays, and we'll have some more on my channel. But that's it. I love it. 4 tags, no time, which is great because now I won't stamp the back because you saw the backs of these. But I just love the quickness of this so that I can sit down and I can take all my little tiny stamps. I can use this and then have other winter stamps. And of course, if you can fit it within this guide, I'll play around with this and come up with some ideas with other stamps and little dies, little die cuts and stuff. This can just be your guide for the gift tag shape. So it's great that you have all this stuff that coordinates together, and it opens up your gift tag making, which is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.